Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to make a mouse bouncy game using Scratch. So first I'll make a new variable for the sprites only, call it dy. When flag clicked, forever, change y by one minus dy. Oops, change y by I meant dy times -1. Change dy by 0.2. And at the beginning set dy to 0. Now I can go here. I can make this thing that was actually making the scratch cards to be bouncing. I'll put it over here. When flag clicked, forever, go to mouse pointer, now I have something that can go to the mouse pointer. If then touching the mouse pointer, then set dy to -5. I meant if then touching sprite 2, set dy to -5. Where's the sprite 2? Oh. Now I can bounce the scratch cards up. If then key A pressed, change x by -5. If then key D pressed, change x by 5. Now I'll make enemies. So I'll make the enemies to be these pointy triangle thingies. When flag clicked, forever, create a clone of myself. Wait 1 second. When I start as a clone, repeat until touching the edge, Well, it's going to initially hide, then it will show. I'll just put this in the corner here. Go to X. Let's say negative 196 to 196.0. Let me make this smaller. Move up. Change Y by, let's say, 4. If it does touch the edge, delete this clone. Good. Now I'll randomize the speed. Pick random. 4 to 6. If then touching spread 3. You touch spread 3 and stop all. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, Obacode. Bye.